moi like
in our kitchen.
It's been a very long time we made this dish, so it's weekend and we want to prepare this moi. So we want to share with you all the ingredients that we are going to use in preparing this dish. It's a healthy recipe, it's so delicious and it's so yummy. Everybody in the house can enjoy this either way.
So this is how I wash my beans. After washing it, I soak it for like 5 hours to get the beans soft so as to make it easy for me when blending it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are good. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell notification so that whenever I post any new video, you will be the first to be notified. Compliments of the season, guys. Yeah, it's Christmas season. It's almost there. So I am a household. We are wishing you Happy Christmas in advance and a prosperous new year. So guys, today in Ricia's kitchen, we want to prepare moi. Like, this is one of our favorites African food. We enjoy it here in Germany. So it has been a very long time we stopped making this dish. So today we want to show you how we prepare our moi recipe. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's yummy, it's what everyone in the house can enjoy, both kids, adults, either with Coke or with pap or with Gary, normal advisor. So without wasting your time, let me show you all the things we are going to need for this recipe. I'll be going back to my pan. So here are my ingredients. This is my beans. I've washed it. I washed it in the morning and I soaked it for like 5 hours so that it will make it easy for me to blend it when blending. And here is my sweet pepper. You can also use tatashi or any other pepper you wish to use. I have some fish, my onions and some garlic. I have my crayfish, I have my pepper, and here is my seasoning cube and my salt. So all these things are what I'll be needing to prepare this moi. So at this point, I also need oil, but my oil is not yet here. I will show you when I will be adding it in the moment. So now I will first of all blend the beans into a puree form to enable me make this delicious dish. So let's go there. guys, I'm done blending. I'm mixing it together because I blended the beans different, and I also now blended the peppers and the onions with the garlic. I blended that together, so I will give the two a good mix so as to combine everything together. So after blending it, this is how it looks like. It's so creamy, as in the face is popping, honestly. So I will add in my crayfish. I will add in a little bit of pepper because my kids doesn't like pepper, and I will add in my seasoning cube. This is combination of Maggi and a little bit of curry powder. So I will give everything a very good mix. So now I can add in my salt. So I'll be adding in my oil. And I will give everything a good mix. Gently, so that it will not pour away, because my bowl is big. Now this Moi-Moi is popping. Like, this is also, you can do this during your Christmas cooking or something like that. Honestly, it's supposed to be among your recipe in this Christmas season, in this celebration season, for everyone to enjoy. It's not everybody that has time to prepare this one, honestly, because Moi takes time to wash before you come and start doing everything. Washing it alone is a big work. Now I can add in my fish. Honestly, this tastes so delicious. Oh my god, please like this video, give us a thumbs up. Honestly, please guys, you guys should try. So guys, I am done preparing the Moi-Moi, so I'll be using this plate to put it, but now my water is still on fire, it's not yet boiled. I'll wait until the water is boiled, then I can add, this is what I'll be using to cook it. So just pardon me as we make this wonderful recipe. I will be using 2 pots because I don't have a big pot here, so I'll be making use of 2 pots to cook it so that it will balance very well. So I will carry people along as I progress. See you. So one of my pots is boiled. The water inside this has boiled. I am going to start putting them now. I don't even know whether this plate will contain this my normal water. Just spray. So this is, I will cover it with it. Yeah, this is the last one. So guys, I just put everything inside the pot and it's cooking already. I will let you guys see it when it is done. So see you guys.